Get tired of your back glass not looking slick? Well, I found something on Amazon that should help us out. I wish Chevy would have just made it one piece and left the third sliding rear glass, or whatever you want to call it, the sliding rear glass. I wish they'd left it, but just made it slick all the way around, kind of like if you see like a F-150 or something like that. But anyways, found something on Amazon. Hopefully it'll fix it. I'm gonna start off by alcohol cleaning the surface, getting it real clean from all the grease, grime, all that bull crap. And then gonna stick it on there. We'll see what happens. Package, it comes in a package. I just took it out, but this is how they protect it. It comes with 2 alcohol prep pads, some directions, which is very simple. And then yeah, I'm gonna cut it open and let y'all see what it's like. I got my little alcohol pad. Just gonna start cleaning it up like this right here, rubbing it. I don't know if you can see, but it's getting fuzzies on it. I'm probably gonna have to end up getting like a clear piece of tape or something, sticking it on there to get them fuzzies off without getting any more. Anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. All right, I ain't gonna lie, them prep pads suck. So this is what I got right here. Some alcohol and some rags with a leaf. All right, I'm gonna start cleaning it off like that. That was 100% the better way to do it. Now you're gonna wanna pull off this protective tape, this red stuff, line it up good, get it square, and then set it. Now you can use a heat gun to heat up this, adhesive. Don't touch it with your fingers. Heat up this adhesive, help it stick a little better, but we're in South Mississippi. It's pretty hot today. And this is done sat outside for a little while, so it's done got a little toasty. It's enough for me to be struggling to get this red tape off. Now I did take it and try to line it up beforehand. I'm going off the bottom. Take this, line it up with the bottom evenly. So it's lined up straight. Okay, that's even. Roll it up. That's even on both sides. Make sure you press it in real good. I'm gonna leave that protective lens on there, and I'm gonna do the other one. Do the same method I used on the last one. Get it even on both sides, and I'm just gonna roll it up like that. Yep, and that will work out perfectly. Go ahead and take this adhesive off for the protector. And if I'm breathing real hard, guys, I am so sorry. Trying not to. This should work for all the trucks that have this, which is most GM and I think a couple Dodges. But this was kind of more expensive than, it's more than what I wanted to pay, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run, I hope. Looks pretty even. Not the scary part. Just getting it straight. Oh yeah, that's gonna be great. Press it in real good. Make sure it sticks. Get off this protective layer. There we go. Oh, what the heck? I have a feeling this is going to, oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie, that looks so much better. That's awesome. The only thing is, it looks like, is there is a little bit of a lip. It's the only thing I don't like. Overall, though, I'm happy with it. That's the best they could probably do for this crap. Heck yeah. Y'all can see it looks like a straight back glass now. Ten times better. A little before. Guys, that's how she turned out. I'm so happy with it. It really looks great. It really does, guys. It looks amazing. The only thing I don't like is that little bit. See how it pops out right there. Can't help it though. I mean, you're putting a layer on a layer. So, still happy with it. And if y'all want one, just look on Amazon. I'll probably post a link or whatever to it. And hope this video helped y'all out.